Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Specialists named foods that will help you fight chronic inflammation. Amazing facts. There are two types of inflammation, acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is a consequence of the work of the defense mechanisms of our body, and chronic inflammation is a slow inflammation that does not disappear for a very long time for no apparent reason. Over time, chronic inflammation can greatly affect your health. Chronic inflammation can increase your risk of developing serious diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, autoimmune diseases, depression, arthritis, Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Chronic inflammation has no visible symptoms and is therefore difficult to detect. But if you take action and add foods to your diet that reduce inflammation, there is no harm. Omega-3 fatty acids work wonders when it comes to reducing inflammation, experts say. To combat chronic inflammation, it is recommended that you include more foods rich in these nutrients in your diet. The acids EPA and DHA help prevent the formation of compounds that cause inflammation, the onset of the inflammatory process, and also stimulate the production of anti-inflammatory compounds. Studies have shown that taking omega-3 supplements can help fight inflammation associated with diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, Crohn's disease, type 1 diabetes, asthma, psoriasis, heart disease, and more. Another study found that taking omega-3 supplements for 4 months reduced inflammation in middle-aged and older adults. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, green leafy vegetables, cabbage, and berries can help reduce inflammation. Consuming them several times a week can help control inflammation. Regular consumption of leafy green vegetables can reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and brain deterioration. Add 6 servings of various green vegetables to your weekly diet, such as lettuce, spinach, kale, and more. Studies have shown that eating 5 servings of vegetables and 2 servings of berries per week helps fight free radicals that increase inflammation. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.